Good morning, students. Welcome to the virtual class of Information Technology of class 10th. Today we will learn Goal Seek feature. Goal Seek is a process of calculating a value by performing what-if analysis on a given set of value. This feature lets you adjust a value used in a formula to achieve a specific goal, or we can say it determines input values needed to achieve a specific goal. For this, we will open any spreadsheet and write some data in it. As I have written names of 5 students and their marks in 5 subjects. I have taken Anurag, Kunal, Simran, Rishabh and Yuvi and their marks in English, Hindi, Math, Science and SST. First, we will get the total with the help of sum function. Sum is equals to sum, then put the range and close. Press enter key. First, we will get the sum and then drag. We get all the totals of 5 students in their 5 subjects. Now you can see Anurag's total marks are 303. If I say Anurag's marks would get 335, then what you have to do is go to data and what if analysis. There will be a goal seek feature. Click on this, a window will open. First, set cell. We clicked on G2 303 to value. How many marks you want to be Anurag's? Suppose I want 335. Now Anurag has 303 total marks and I want Anurag's marks 335 by changing cell. In which subject we want that Anurag should be improved? Like click on English, a cell will automatically come. By changing cell, click OK. Now you can see Anurag's total marks has already been changed 335 and his marks has increased in 82. It means if Anurag will get 82 marks in English, then his total will be 335. Now take one more example. If I want Rishabh's total marks from 317 to 340, how many marks he should increase and in which subject you want to increase? Go to data, click on what if analysis, goal seek feature, select a cell. I already select on the cell to value how many marks you want to increase. We want 350. By changing cell, in which cell you want to increase, in which subjects you want to increase, we want in English. Just click on the English. Cell address will automatically come. Click on OK. Now you can see Rishabh's English marks has already been changed 73 and his total has also been changed 350. Thank you.